first time I laid eyes on you, the feeling was sublime. I knew the love from within would extend for all time. Some people scoff and ridicule because they don't understand the connection of a canine friend to a compassionate human. Each time I see her, she never forgets. Each time I see her, enter puppy steps. Each time I see her, she never forgets. Each time I see her, enter puppy steps. When taking on a life like that and raising them aware, caring for their every need and giving loving care. We don't always see that soon it comes. We have to say